Beauty.
Brother. Hey, brother.
This one you gave us house arrest today and said we should not go out because we are expecting somebody. Could you please explain to us?
I told you now. I told you that my husband today is coming today. You serious? You need to see that guy.
Tell us more about this.
I can't wait to see this boy. This boy is freaking as rich, handsome. My God, this boy is so cute. You need to see this guy.
Are you for real? You mean raw cash?
When your sister is talking about this guy must be a big boy.
Yes, he's face on Facebook alone. But the bad name. You see it. But you need to see this guy. You know this latest what is it called? This this leg.
Let's go 350.
Let me see your son.
Wait. Are you telling me that this is your husband? No. Not point of correction of point. Yes. Not your husband to be.
No.
Because since he has a jeep. Yeah, so are you now telling me that he has a jeep?
See, but let me tell you, Lexus jeep is another statement. This double exhaust Lexus jeep. Have you seen that before?
This one means you don't need to pay bride price as it just comes. That's why I keep telling you, stop dating all those your wheelbarrow pushers and be like your sister.
Brother, me I have no good boyfriend.
Are you very sure?
Somebody is knocking. Go on.
Who are those mad people there? You want to form again? Tell them to come in.
Who's all this?
Young man, did you miss your way?
I think they are selling something.
Why did you back into my compound this way? And who are you looking for?
Yes. I remember you. Shut
up!
What do you want?
Excuse me, listen and listen carefully. We don't train mad people or imbecile in this house.
I'm not about to this today.
Yes!
Discuss
whatever it is you want to discuss and leave now before the husband of my
I say we go look for beauty. Now my baby get this.
We are looking for who?
Beauty.
Who is on side, whatever. What is your mission in my house? What is your mission here?
Not me.
What's the meaning of this?
Beauty, come. Do you know this thing?
But forbid.
Why do you know my sister?
Now Facebook, she not me. Now my Facebook might be this. Now maybe I also on Facebook.
Where is your Lexus jeep?
See my leg, yeah?
No, I mean Lexus motor.
My leg.
No.
But again, give me that. If you don't give me a million announcement.
Wait. Do you really mean you are a sad bubble on Facebook?
That bubble is full of touchy.
No.
Let me see if you know what carry your head to. Hey, make you come party with my friends this Friday. All the things that you